Your ID automatically creates a good climate in the interior. This is done via the smart air vents, which are elegantly integrated into the dash panel. But of course, you can also adjust them manually via the climate menu. Here you can determine the direction of the airflow or switch off the air vents. You can also choose between direct and indirect ventilation. Both can be set individually and saved with a long press. Here you can activate auto mode and choose between 3 intensity levels. Under Smart, you can find a selection of predefined climate programs, which you can also start by using the ID voice assistant, for example by saying that your feet are cold. Here you can activate the air care function. It reduces the ingress of pollutants and allergens. You can adjust the temperature by tapping or via the touch control. The same is possible in the rear. And here you can return to auto mode at any time. Activate the steering wheel heating here or directly on your steering wheel. The optional Intelligent Ergo Active Premium seat is a real highlight in your ID. For the front seats, you can individually adjust air conditioning. In auto mode, the seat will recognize what you currently need: seat heating, seat ventilation, or a combination of them dry. This way, you will reach your destination feeling refreshed, even on hot summer days. In addition to the auto mode, there are 3 predefined programs. Good to know. You can control the seat cushion and the backrest independently, and heat the backrest more than the seat cushion, for example. All this is also possible with the front passenger seat. You can also set the seat heating and ventilation here via quick access. Passengers on the rear bench can control their seat heating independently. If your little explorers love to use this function too often, you can deactivate it here. Before setting off, your ID can already start certain functions automatically. For example, the steering wheel heating when it's cold outside. Your Ergo Active Premium seats also regulate their climate automatically. And for any other seat, you can make individual settings here. Automatic functions, smart programs, and many individual setting options for a customized climate in your ID.
Volkswagen.